Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nabila from Informatics and Engineering Study Program, and this is my name. In the videos, this time I'm presenting about pronouns. Pronouns is a word used to replace noun. In this case, the nouns could be a person, an object, a place, event, an action, or idea. The project can be an animate object or a living object. Example of English pronouns such as myself, himself, mine, ours, yours, and many more. Function pronouns. The main function of the pronouns is to prevent the repetition repetition of word in a sentence. Why could it be repentance? Because why why could why should it be repeated? Because reps make the sentence you word less effective apart from the main function. There are several other functions of the pronouns that will be explained in detail in our slide. Types of pronouns. In, in general, there are nine types of pronouns or pronouns in English, namely first personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronoun, intensive pronoun, integrative pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun. Next, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns is a form of pronouns used to describe a specific noun. For example, such as mentioning people, names of objects, animal names, and so on. However, the crux of the personal pronoun is not that simple. This one pronoun is divided into reciprocal categories, which will be described as follows. First person. In the person aspects, here are three types of personal pronouns. Here are the details. First person or first person pronouns. The first person of person pronouns is I, me, we, and us. Example sentence using the first pronoun. I will go on vacation to Korea because I think I need to refresh my brain. Next, second person. Second person is a singular second person. Pronouns. Example are you, are example are you, your, yours, yourself, yourselves, hers. One of its application in the sentence, you have to take care of everything that is yours. Third person is a third person pronoun that can be used to talk about other. The, the third person pronoun include he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself, it, its, itself, they, them, their, theirs, and themselves. An example is plus Fahri used him prize money from the campfire to buy himself a new telescope. Next, number, the pronouns must correspond to the number of nouns to be replicated based on the number of people. There are only two types, namely singular pronoun is a pronoun for people in the singular. Thus included in the singular pronoun are I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it. Example, a boy is playing with his puppet. He has a glove puppet. In the example about he, surface has mana serves as a pronoun to replicate the noun. The boy plural pronoun is a pronoun used for nouns that number more than one. Aka plural part of the plural pronoun is we, us, you, they, them. Example sentence. The boys are playing with their puppets. They have glove puppets. You can see the difference with the example is the in the singular pronoun because the subject is the boys. The suffix signifies that there are many boys. Then the pronoun used in the second sentence is they, is they. Next, kita see gender in pronouns. There is a gender aspect as well. However, for first person and second person, there is no gender elements. For example, even if our interlocutor is a man or a woman, then what we will use is still you regardless or gender. It makes no difference Well, well, those who look at gender are cis person or cis person pronouns. In this case, gender consists of masculine, generally for men. An example is he, feminine, usually Iman, it's woman, like she, natural. Commonly used in things of unknown gender, sex as such, and as animate objects. An example is it the her. An example is it her are some example. Masculines, Devi has a boyfriend. He comes as across as a bit of a bore to her. Feminines, Sasa, sister, Sasa, sister loves to eat pizza. The eats, she eats almonds every day. Net, Nature, we have an old natural. We have an old kitchen table. It has a broken lid. Next, the cases case means a role in a sentence. Here an example. Subjective pronouns is a pronoun for a object that acts as a subject in a sentence. Pronouns that can be said as subject are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. An example of the sentence we can take from the opening sentence in this article. Without without pronoun, Devi is a very friendly person using pronoun. She is a very friendly person. Objective pronouns, which is a pronoun that acts as a direct object and indirect object or a proposition object. Pronouns that include object are me, you, him, her, it, us, them. An example of the sentence is as follows: My uncle, my, my uncle likes her. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun used for insiders to indicate ownership of something without any emphasis. Personal pronoun of possessive or ownership are mine, yours, him, her, its, ours, and theirs. You must be familiar with one of the scripts from the scan in the movie. Kids break up below. It's my dream, must not her. Hers in the hers too indicates ownership of the since person pronoun. Cis family. Possessive pronouns act as substitutes for nouns to express ownership. Here's an example if it's written in the table. Possessive pronouns singular, mine, yours, it, his, hers, plural, yours, theirs, theirs. Here are some ways to ask for possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns can be used as subject in sample sentence when talking about the garden. Yours garden. Haus atulah itu jadi banget orangan. Your garden has six all over. Possessive pronoun as an object. She likes their present but dislikes ours present. Apostrophe does not apply to possessive pronouns. Example, this slice of pizza is yours. True. This slice of pizza is yours. Salah. Next. Reflexive pronoun and intrusive pronoun. Why are those two types of pronouns combined in one point? Because reflexive pronoun and intrusive pronoun have the same example and characteristic but differ in terms of function in the sentence. A reflexive noun is a form of pronoun used to indicate that kita pakai bahasa Indonesia. 3. Reflexive pronoun and intrusive pronoun. Mengapa kedua jenis pronoun ini digabungkan dalam satu poin? Karena refleksif pronoun dan intrusive pronoun memiliki contoh dan ciri yang sama tetapi berbeda dari segi fungsi dalam suatu kalimat. Reflexive nouns merupakan bentuk kata ganti yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan bahwa subjek dalam kalimat melakukan tindakan yang sama dengan objek yang menerima tindakan. Intinya, tindakan tersebut dilakukan kepada diri sendiri. Untuk singular, beberapa bentuk yang termasuk kata ganti refleksif adalah myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Sementara itu, refleksif noun berbentuk plural, contohnya ourselves, yourselves, yourselves, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Berikut contoh penggunaan dalam kalimat he helped himself to the drink and promised not to get drunk. Bisa dilihat bahwa di sana ada himself sebagai objek yang menerima tindakan serupa dengan objek he, yaitu promised not to get drunk. B. Memiliki fungsi yang berbeda. Intensive pronoun adalah kata ganti yang digunakan untuk memberi penekanan pada subjek. Maka dari itu sebetulnya kata ganti ini kita tidak berperan penting dalam sebuah kalimat. Jadi apabila kehilangan pun tidak akan mengubah makna dari kalimat itu sendiri. Kalau dalam bahasa Inggris, pronoun ini biasa disebut juga dengan emphatic pronouns. Caranya adalah dengan merujuk kembali pada nouns yang menjadi subjek kalimat untuk memberi penekanan. Ini beberapa cara menggunakan insentif pronouns. B. Yang keempat, integratif pronoun. Integratif pronoun adalah kata ganti yang digunakan untuk mengajukan pertanyaan tertentu. Perlu kamu ketahui kalau pronoun yang satu ini nggak memiliki gender. Contoh ganti-ganti interrogatif adalah who, whom, whose, and what. Beberapa contoh lainnya seperti whatever, whoever, whomever, and whysoever. Anyway, seperti halnya personal pronoun, pronouns, untuk integratif pronoun juga memiliki 3 case, yaitu as a subject, and juga sebagai possessive. Contoh subjective case, who at my pizza? What made you so sick? Next, example objective case, whom did you borrow? That's borrow from. What are you thinking of? Contoh possessive case sebagai catatan, which tidak memiliki bentuk posesif. Misal, what is the dog chewing? Whose baby is crying so loudly? Selain 3 case tersebut, ada beberapa cara penggunaan lain dalam interrogatif pronoun, yaitu who yang dapat digunakan sebagai objek. Contoh kalimat, who do you invite to your party? Dalam kalimat tersebut, who menjadi objek dari invite. Whom tidak dapat digunakan sebagai subjek. Contohnya, whom beat him up yesterday. Merupakan kalimat salah. Who beat him up yesterday. Itu merupakan kalimat benar. Selanjutnya, 5. Relatif pronoun. Kita ganti pakai bahasa Inggris lagi. Relative pronoun connecting pronoun is a type of pronoun to combine two clauses in forming a longer sentence. Example of relative pronoun are as that, which, will, whom, when, was, whatever, whomever, whatsoever. 5. Relatif pronoun. Relatif pronoun adalah kata ganti penghubung. Adalah jenis kata ganti untuk menghubungkan dua klausa dalam membentuk kalimat yang lebih panjang. Contohnya Astrid which, who, whom, when, was, whatever, wherever, whomever, whomever, whomsoever, whomsoever, whatsoever, whatsoever. Fungsi relatif pronoun adalah untuk mengenalkan klausa pedendam, pedenden, yang mana ia bertindak sebagai subjek. Lanjut ke 6. Yang keenam ada demonstratif pronoun. Demonstratif pronoun adalah kata ganti yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan apakah sesuatu lebih dekat atau jauh dalam suatu ruang atau waktu. Dalam bahasa Inggris, hal yang termasuk dalam bentuk demonstratif pronoun yaitu this, that, this, those. Selanjutnya yang ketujuh ada indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun adalah kata ganti yang digunakan tanpa mengacu pada orang atau benda tertentu. Ini adalah sekelompok kata ganti yang digunakan ketika tidak diketahui noun dalam sebuah kalimat. Selain itu, pronoun ini bisa digunakan juga untuk memudahkan dalam membuat subjek kalimat. Misal, daripada bertanya, Is Fahri, Jeffrey, Hani, and Nanda interested coming along? Kamu dapat menggunakan indefinite pronoun agar lebih efektif. Jadinya, is anyone interested in coming along? Yap, yang merupakan indefinite pronoun adalah anyone. Kata ganti ini dikenal juga sebagai pronoun untuk menyatakan hal-hal yang bersifat umum atau general. Perhatikan tabel di bawah. Sini ada tabel. Nah, di sini ada singular, plural, singular or plural. Next, repic roller pronoun. Kata ganti ini dalam bahasa Indonesia disebut dengan kata ganti timbal balik. Reciprocal pronoun adalah kata ganti untuk menyatakan suatu hubungan di mana hal yang sama dilakukan oleh masing-masing pihak terhadap pihak lain atau lebih terhadap pihak lain. Sederhana adalah saling. Umumnya reciprocal pronoun merujuk pada people, tapi tidak menutup kemungkinan untuk digunakan juga pada benda atau hewan. Fungsi utama dari pronoun ini adalah mempersingkat benda atau hewan. Fungsi utama dari pronoun ini adalah mempersingkat kalimat yang subjeknya melakukan tindakan yang sama, dua orang atau lebih. Anyway, hanya ada dua reciprocal pronoun, yaitu each other and one another. Contohnya kalimat yang menggunakan kata ganti reciprocal. Kalimat asli, Ray is waving to Roy and Roy is waving to Ray. Menggunakan reciprocal pronoun, Ray and Roy are waving to each other. Catatan penting, untuk menggunakan reciprocal pronoun, subjek harus berjumlah lebih dari satu. Selanjutnya, contoh beberapa penggunaan contoh reciprocal pronoun. This is that's your that you and I have now each other. Each other bertindak sebagai objek dari now reciprocal pronoun yang diletakkan setelah preposisi know, what, knows, why they are shouting at each other. Pada kalimat tersebut, each other muncul setelah at. Reciprocal pronoun dalam possessive case, my boy My boyfriends and I often visit one another's parents. Dalam contoh di atas, one another diakhiri oleh s untuk menyatakan kepunyaan dari parents. Oke, thanks. Sekian presentasi saya. Mohon maaf apabila ada kesalahan kata atau kalimat yang salah. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Campur-campur.